Hello, you may be familiar with this car, my mist grey Jaguar XK150 FHC, because we restored it on Drive Tribe. Behind me here, that is my Jaguar XK150 FHC. Just about ready now to go into paint, so this will be finished first.
As you can see, we're nearly ready for paint. So it's been a while, but we're getting there now.
Oh, look at that. Let me stick this, it completes it. Oh yeah. It is all good. I say we restored it. Quite a lot of the actual restoration, all the work, for instance, was in fact done by these two, Neil and Anthony. And we had fun doing it.
We did. It was fun.
And it turns out you had fun watching it, because those videos cause a lot of you to write in and say, hey, you guys need your own show. Well, you speak, we listen, because we have. Thankfully, Discovery Plus agreed and have given us our own show to follow us as we go about setting up our own prestigious, classy, classic car restoration workshop. It's called, well, the workshop is called The Smallest Cog.
Really?
Yes, a brilliant name. It's absolutely brilliant. It's going to catch on and be ironically enough, huge. So you'll be able to follow our adventures on the show, and it's kind of, we've got everything we need between us, because I've got contacts, kind of a big noise in the car world. And you've got all of the skills. Yep. And don't forget, see, my grandfather was a coach builder. He worked at Jensen and at Mulliners before that. So these hands have skills as yet undiscovered, and we will be discovering those skills on the show. Okay. So it lands later this year, look out for it, and we'll be doing loads of other stuff about it on Drive Tribe. Meanwhile, like, subscribe and comment, all of that stuff. Comment, like, do those things.